Hi everybody, welcome back to Sunday. I'm hiding in the garden for the minute because the kids are running riot in the house and I'm home alone with the kids. But I need to get you an update. What's been going on? Well, it's been honestly a bit of a frustrating week. As I said in the last video, the packaging boxes and the kits were supposed to arrive at the end of last week. Packaging boxes didn't. I chased them up with an email and they said, yeah, we had some issues with production of another order. We've been a bit delayed, so I politely but firmly said, yeah, I need them like the first half of this week. You know, I could have bought them elsewhere if you'd let me know. I could have just got some other boxes, but these were made to measure, so that's annoying. Secondly, the pallet of kits that's on its way, it's on its way. It's been dispatched like Monday last week. The transporter is being a bit odd. Apparently they've been here, but they couldn't find the address. They said it doesn't exist. Well, I'm here, you know. It's a dead-end street. There's two dead-end streets. It's on Google Maps. I sent them a screenshot and there's a cross on it, and I said, you know, I want it here on Monday. Simple as that. There was a lot of discussion between the importer, the rep, and myself and the transport company. They didn't contact me directly to ask me where's the house. So the pallet's still on the truck and he's promised me it'll be here tomorrow, Monday. So I'm hoping so, because I've got to break down the pallet, break down the kits, get the motors engraved and start bagging. So yeah, that's pretty critical stuff, you know, the kits, the chassis kits and the boxes. But in the meantime, what I've been doing is getting the, I'm not going to say the second batch, but I had a whole batch of stuff ready, like bagging up the stickers, the decals, the masks, the instructions. I had a ton ready. I had 60 sets ready. So in the meantime, I've been producing the masking and the vinyl stickers that I needed to cut for the rest. So they'll be bagged up. What else have I done? I have some further boxing on the next batch. I wouldn't say batch so much, but the continuation, which is what I was going to do as I back boxing stuff up anyway. So that's just handling, processing stuff and getting stuff ready. So basically it's even more efficient when I do picking and placing. The packaging, picking order lists from the shop have got to be printed. I'll get those printed today, so I've got all the orders stacked up. They go in the box, and the invoices can also be printed, so that's another stack of paper. The invoices have to go in the box and on the box legally for anything outside Europe. So you're outside Europe, you'll get the copy of the invoice in the box and a copy on the box. I also had some the plastic envelopes delivered to go on the box because the ones I had were too small. And I've got stickers in the meantime for on the box, because I've been trying to optimize how not presented, but you know, it's handled. You know, I'm going to send pictures of how these things are boxed in the box and protected, but like, do not open with knife written on the top. You know, if customs go with a Stanley knife, I don't want them to do that. This way up, it's not essential, but it's nice, and handled with care. You know, the usual stuff that people should put on boxes. So those stickers have all been arriving. I've got everything prepped. Another thing I've printed for in the box, which you'll see when you get it. It's just a thing. Yeah, that's about it really. I'm ready to roll. I've been fabricating the boxes as well, so they've all taped. I've got a stack bigger than I wanted to because of the space, so it's quite jam-packed up on the mezzanine in the house. But that's good, because that means as soon as I start getting the product in, I can get it out even quicker. Then I'd hope to get them out, like produce a batch of 10, get them out the door, 10, get them out the door, and roll them out that way quickly. So now it'll be like the first 20 will be out the door straight away, and then the next 10, and so on. So as soon as that material arrives, it's going out within a day or two anyway, and I'll keep you updated on that. They're going out in the order of not the kit number that you asked for, but as the orders came in. So don't forget that. There's a couple that have to be picked up. The local guys will be picking them up. Again, they'll be in the order that they were ordered, because I have to prioritize the order sequence, of course. It's just fair for everybody. So it's it was a bit of a stressful week. It was a busy week at work. The kids are now on holiday, which is fine. We are on holiday from the 17th of July. Some people have asked to delay their delivery to after my holiday because they'll be on holiday. It's that season now, of course. Everybody's out and about, and I don't want stuff being delivered to people's houses when they're not home, of course. You know, if anyone else is going on holiday in the month of July, let me know. I can't predict how fast things are going to arrive to you. From my experience, the US can be up to 2 weeks on the way. I've got no say in how that's done. It's all done by air. But I've had stuff arrive in Australia before in a week. So it's a little bit hit and miss. So if you're any doubt that sometime in mid-July you're going to be away for a week or two, let me know. I'd prefer to ship it after I'm back, so that when you're home you're going to get it. Unless it's going to an address where there's always someone there. So just keep me updated on that, as I'm doing with you guys, to keep everything as straightforward, as transparent as possible. So I'm sorry, really sorry I couldn't get any out this past week. I did deliver 3, which I mentioned. They were the 3 I had in stock, the kits I had in stock. They've gone to the car museum in Brussels, which is quite a prestigious place, and one will be on display there, and one is actually going to Stuttgart to the owner of 185. I wanted to be able to get over there with that kit myself, but that's not been possible. So later, when everything's done, I hope to be able to go over to Stuttgart to the museum and see 185 again with my project 959. So that could be pretty cool. I would really like that. Thanks for all the encouragement again. Every week I get messages, thumbs up from guys, from you lot, and I really appreciate that. It's been a frustrating week, so I can understand if you're frustrated. Yell at me if you have to, there's no problem. I'm keeping busy with what I can with it, just to make everything more efficient. So anyway, I'm going to have another cup of tea and go and get back to the kids, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks guys, bye bye.